and welcome to Python tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to write our first Python program in VS Code. So now let's begin. So now in this tutorial let's write our first Python program. Get ready now. First I'll do my Visual Studio Code full screen and I'll open a new folder. It's in the desktop. I've made a new folder called Python Learning. I'll open it. Now the folder has been opened. I'll close the welcome tab and create a new file here. I'll name it first program .py. If you're writing any Python program, the extension should be .py. So first progam program.py. I recommend you to give that. Here is a editor, so you can close this by clicking on the Explorer icon. Now I think the font is very small, so to do it big, go to the settings tab here, then search for zoom. So enable this option, zoom the font of the editor using mouse wheel and holding Control. So what will happen? You write your first program, anything, you press and keep Control, and you can do the text size bigger and smaller with the help of mouse wheel. So now I recommend you to enable that option because the text is small. Now here let's write our first Python program. But before writing our first Python program, go to the extensions tab and search for code runner. So here is our extension. This extension helps us to run code. With the help of this extension only you can run our code. If you think there's another extension to run code, so you can choose that, but I choose code runner. It works for C++, Java and Python also. So click on install. So as you see here, uninstall option is here. So you will see here the play icon has come. That means our extension has been installed. And if you didn't install your Python, search for Python extension and click on install. So it's installing. Once it's done, I'll play the video. So our extension has been installed. Now we write our first program. So you should type here print hello. Then you should write my first So as soon as I run it with the help of code runner, it is giving me hello, because first here in the editor I wrote just print hello. Now if you make any changes into your code, you need to go the first in file and save it. When you run it, it will give you the save the updated output. So if you don't want to go and do file save, you can enable autosave, which will autosave your code if you make any changes. For example, if I write here FF, it will automatically change, it will automatically save. You don't need to go here and click on save. So this was our first Python program. So now let's go into the brief explanation about this command. So what does print command actually do? It prints letters or variables. In next video we'll talk about variables. But you'll be thinking, why did I wrote this in inverted commas? Because when I remove these inverted commas, it will give me an error. It says invalid syntax. But when I put this in inverted commas, you can select this whole text. First, you can put this in inverted commas. So as soon as I run it, it will give me the output. So that's it for this video. In next video we are going to talk about variables in Python. Bye.